Hello, this is a quick tutorial to show how to remove artifacts from the face in Photoshop 2022. This is a bit tricky because it's on the face, and I need to be sure that I don't want to mess up the skin texture or anything. So what I decided to was to use a polygonal lasso tool. Sorry, I think it's a free lasso tool, and then go around the artifact which I wanted to remove. In this case, is the bindi. So what, and then so instead of using, I wanted to use clone in the beginning, but instead I chose to use content aware fill, because that was the smart AI, artificial intelligence driven one, which as you can see does an excellent job. First time around, this is like a quick tip. So first time around, what I did was I selected bit of the nose which had a little bit of shadow. So when I selected that, the tool wasn't able to intelligently identify that bit. But when I made the selection easy for the tool, the tool did an excellent job. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, do subscribe. Cheers.
I hope I didn't do any sound because